Hello viewers, today's story is about young girl and a frightened injured elephant. What begins as a moment of fear turns into a powerful bond of trust and bravery. This emotional journey will remind you that true courage lies in helping others even when you are afraid. Let's begin this inspiring tale. Please subscribe my channel.
In some places, life has a simple rhythm. Imagine a small village near a big green forest. Sunlight filters through the leaves and bird songs fill the air. People live simple lives, understanding the whispers of the wind. In this village lived a little girl named Nina. She was 10 years old and lived with her mother and father. Nina had a special spark in her eyes. Her heart was brave and kind. She felt things deeply, truly a sensitive soul. Bravery doesn't mean not being afraid, but doing things even when you are scared. Nina understood this in her own way. She faced difficult things with a steady heart. This little girl had a big spirit, a spirit that could move mountains. Her sensitivity was a gift. She would notice even the smallest butterfly and feel the joy of a blooming flower. She could see pain in others' eyes and had empathy for all living beings. She knew that animals have feelings too, just like humans. This understanding shaped her young life. It made her who she was. Nina, a compassionate girl. Nina's heart was an open home for animals. She loved them all, big and small. Playful squirrels, colorful birds, even the shy creatures of the forest. To her, they were all friends, part of the same big family of life. She believed that every creature deserves respect. Her love for them was pure and simple. Elephants held a special place in her heart. Gentle giants, admired for their quiet strength and intelligence. She had heard stories of their loyalty and family care. Sometimes she would watch them from a distance, majestic beings moving among the trees. Her heart would fill with awe and wonder. This love showed in her everyday actions. She would leave fresh water or fruits at the edge of the forest. She would talk to them in soft tones, and they understood her kindness. Gap 2s. Animals know who means them well. Other children might play different games. Some adults might be too busy or scared. But Nina was different. She had a unique connection with the animal world. It was a quiet friendship, a silent bond. Her actions spoke of her deep affection. This gentle girl, with such a big heart, was a true friend to all creatures. One sunny afternoon, Nina was playing near the river with her little brother. They were laughing, enjoying the cool breeze. Suddenly, a large shape came out from among the trees. It was an elephant, very big, but something was very wrong. The elephant was hurt, weak, and scared. Nina's little brother got scared and started to cry. She looked into its eyes, saw the pain, the plea for help. She knew she had to do something. Gathering all her courage, she slowly moved forward. "It's okay," she whispered. "I'm here to help." The elephant sensed her gentle intention. Nina carefully cleaned its wounds with river water. She brought it food and fresh water. Whispers and worries spread through the village. News travels fast in such a small place. Nina is with a wild elephant, an injured elephant near the river. Fear began to grow among the villagers. Soon, fear turned into a plan. They decided the elephant had to be killed. When Nina heard this, her heart sank. Kill the gentle giant she was nursing? No, she couldn't let that happen. She stood before the village elders, a little girl facing a group of worried adults, Gap 2s. "Please," she said, "don't hurt him." Her words, simple and honest, had power. Doubt flickered in their eyes. Nina's heartfelt plea did not go unheard. Slowly, the mood in the village began to change. In some eyes, understanding replaced fear. Compassion began to bloom in their hearts. Some villagers started to help Nina. They brought food for the elephant, offered to help keep watch. Nina also informed the forest department. She knew they could give proper care. People were working together for a good cause. The forest officials arrived soon, amazed by Nina's bravery and the elephant's trust in her. With the villagers' support, they treated the elephant together. Its wounds began to heal, its strength returned. Nina was there every step of the way, a little beacon of hope and love. The elephant understood too, letting them help. Then the day came when the elephant had to leave. It was strong enough to rejoin its herd. The forest department had located its family. It was a bittersweet moment for Nina. She was happy the elephant was going home, but sad to say goodbye. She gently touched its trunk one last time. The elephant looked at her with its wise eyes, a silent thank you, a gentle farewell. As the elephant walked back into the deep forest, reunited with its waiting family, joy filled the air. Nina watched until it disappeared into the trees, a small smile on her lips. Her village was safe, and so was the elephant. She had shown everyone the power of courage, the strength of compassion, and the beauty of kindness.